Turkey culture. What is that? In American linguistic culture, you may be familiar with the term jive turkey, which according to Wiktionary.com is someone who performs the jive dance, especially in a funny or showy manner. In the 1970s, it refers to a person who exaggerates, lies, and is unreliable. Well, this Thanksgiving, we focus on an animal that indeed does dance and prance, but the unreliable jive part can happen when you talk turkey around the dinner table. Do we mean Turkey the bird or Turkey the country? Both, because the turkey is named after the country of Turkey. Turkey culture begins in the Americas, but this word comes from the Middle East. Traders called turkey merchants supplied American and guinea fowl to England, which simultaneously became known as turkey cocks or hens. And then when European colonizers land in America, they see the big bird, known to scientists as Meleagris galapavo, and call it turkey too. Indigenous Mexicans first domesticate turkeys in 800 BC, and Native Americans domesticate them further in 200 BC for food and feathers. Now there are two main types of turkeys: the sleek wild turkey and the large domesticated turkey grown for its meat. Our turkey is actually related to the pheasant, and as you see them on the farm, strutting their stuff like a peacock, or chasing your dog around the neighborhood like a vulture, you may see them only as food. Yet Benjamin Franklin praises our avian creature, saying, "The turkey is, in comparison to the bald eagle, a much more respectable bird, and withal a true original native of America." However, he did not propose it to be our national bird. That is a myth. Instead, we gobble it as our Thanksgiving centerpiece every fourth Thursday of November, along with stuffing, cranberries, gravied potatoes, and warm pumpkin pie.
Yes, we've always had turkey, just as a lot of Americans have had it, and we'll keep on having it. Turkey on Thanksgiving is a great American tradition.
Later on, you may eat cold turkey leftovers, and then turkey culture will fly at you as lunch meat, turducken, and turkey jerky. However you consume it, Americans absolutely adore their jive turkey. And if you dig it too, then peck the subscribe bell and then flap that like button while sharing your personal turkey culture in the comments below. Also, you may color a turkey recipe by trotting to anthronauts.com. In our next episode, Plymouth Rock lands on us. I'm Mark Thomas, your traveling anthropologist.
Booyah! Anthronauts!